Today we'll take some extra questions regarding identities, algebraic identities. So first question I have taken, find the value of x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64 when x plus y equals to minus 4. This is given to us and its value we are asked to find. See, solution. What is given? X plus y equals to minus 4. Take this minus 4 to the side. What it becomes equal to? X plus y plus 4 equals to 0. Remember the 11th identity. What is that identity? If a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube. What is that equal to? 3abc. Now it is of the same form. A plus b plus c. What is that equal to? 0. So this implies sum of their cube. Remember, if the sum of three numbers is 0, then sum of their cubes is equal to 3 times their product. This is the identity. So therefore, their sum of their cubes, x cube plus y cube plus 4 cube. What is that equal to? 3 times their product. 3 into x into y into 4. So x cube plus y cube plus 64. 4 cube is 64. 4 3 is 12. 12x y. Take this 12xy to the left hand side. X cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64. What is that equal to? 0. So this is our answer. We were asked to find the value of this x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64. What it came equal to? 0. This is the solution of this question. Now the second question of similar kind is, find the value of x cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy minus 216 when x is given equal to 2y plus 6. Similar sort of question. What is x given equal to? 2y plus 6. Transpose both the terms to the left hand side. It became x minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. I can write it as x plus minus 2y plus minus 6. The same thing now, again the same identity, that if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then sum of their cubes, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, what is that equal to? 3 times their product. Now see, which are the three numbers? First is x, second is minus 2y, third is minus 6. The sum of these three numbers is 0. This implies, using this identity, sum of their cubes will be equal to 3 times their product. 3 times the first is x, second is minus 2y, third is minus 6. Now this is x cube, minus cube is minus 8y cube minus 216, 6 cube is minus 216 equals to minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6, 6 6 are 36 xy. Now take this 36 xy to this side, minus 36 xy, and this one minus 216. What it is coming equal to? 0 again, just like the previous question. We were asked to find the value of this expression. What is the value of this expression? It is coming 0. The third question, this is I have written the question here. If a, b, c are all non-zero, these terms are non-zero terms, and a plus b plus c equals to 0, the sum of these three numbers is 0, then prove that a square over bc plus b square over ca plus c square over ab equals to 3. Now again the last 11th identity. What it says, that if a plus b plus c equals to 0, which is given to us that they are 0, so this implies sum of their cubes, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube, what is that equal to? 3abc. This is the identity. Now see what I do. dividing both sides. Remember, on in the right hand side what we need? 3 only. So what is extra? A into B into C. So dividing both sides by A into B into C. When we are dividing both sides by A, B, C, then each and every term on both sides gets divided by A, B, C. That is A cube over ABC plus B cube over ABC plus C cube over ABC equals to 3ABC over ABC. 1B cancels, 1A cancels, 1A cancels, here 1B cancels, here 1C cancels, here A, B, C, all 3 cancels. What is left? It is A square over BC plus B square over AC plus C square over AB. What is that equal to? 3. This is the answer of this question. Now fourth question is, if A plus B plus C equals to 5 and AB plus BC plus CA equals to 10, then prove that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Remember, this is the 10th identity. What we asked to prove it equal to? Minus 25. See, first of all, what is given to us? First part of the given thing, A plus B plus C equals to 0. What I do here? Squaring both sides. You will come to know why we are squaring. A plus B plus C, that is 5 square. This is identity. A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. 5 square is 25. See what I do here? From the last 3 terms in this, I can take something common. What is the common? 2. So take 2 common. AB plus BC plus CA. And AB plus BC plus CA, again its value is given 10. So let's fill this value here. 2 times 10 equals to 25. So A square plus B square plus C square plus 20 equals to 25. Take this 20 to the right hand side. 25 minus 20. A square plus B square plus C square equals to 5. This value I need now. Now come to what is asked to prove. What is asked to prove? We are asked to find the value of, to prove the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Now this is identity. What is this equal to? Identity number 10. A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. Let's put the values. A plus B plus C. What is it given? Equal to 5 into A square plus B square plus C square. We have proved it is equal to 5. From the last 3 terms I can take minus common. When we take minus common, 5 minus AB plus BC plus CA, again it is given 10. So 5 minus 10 is minus 5 and it is minus 25. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC comes equal to minus 25. This is the solution. Now the fifth question is very important. Prove that A plus B plus C whole cube minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube equals to 3 times A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. This is we are asked to prove. See, we are taking the left hand side. What I am doing here, I am taking I am considering this as a single term, A plus B plus C. Say it is X. And I am clubbing the 2 terms here. First 2 terms. Club the first 2 terms, A plus B plus C whole cube minus A cube and last two terms are here. So now what you can see here, if you consider this as a single term, just for an instance say x, so I can say it is x cube minus a cube. Which identity we can see here? It is a cube minus b cube. What is that equal to? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So the same identity will apply here. A minus b, that is a plus b plus c, minus a into a square, that is a plus b plus c square, plus a into b, that is a plus b plus c into a, plus b square, that is a here. And from the last two terms take minus common, it is b cube plus c cube. Here a cancels with a, what is left? B plus c. Now open this square, a plus b plus c whole square, identity. Up to here it is identity. Now next take this a inside, multiply with all the three terms, a square plus ab plus ca, a square plus ab plus ca, plus a square. Now here what is it? Again identity. Which one? A cube plus b cube. What is that equal to? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Right? So I'm applying the identity here. B plus c into b square minus bc plus c square. Now see what we can see. B plus c, b plus c. That means we can take b plus c common. I've taken b plus c common here. This term is left. First of all, in this term, before taking common, a square plus a square plus a square, it is 3a square. In the next step, we will take common. There is only single b square, only single c square. 2ab plus ab, that is 3ab. 2bc, right, plus 2ca plus ca, that is 3ca. Now, in the next step, we will take b plus c common. Take b plus c common. So, this term minus, take minus common. When you take b plus c common, then minus is left. Take minus inside the bracket. All the sign will change. So, minus b square plus bc minus c square. See what comes here. B square cancels with minus b square. C square cancels with minus c square. What is left? 3a square plus 3ab plus 2bc plus bc, that is 3bc plus 3ca. See what we can do now. From the first two, something is common. What is the common? 3a. What is left inside? A plus b plus. From the next two, again something common. 3c. We can take 3c common. What is left? B plus a. Remember one thing, a plus b and b plus a. This is same thing. So, in the next step, so b plus c. From here we can take a plus b. Remember a plus b, b plus a, same thing. So take a plus b common. What is left inside? 3a plus 3c. 3a plus 3c. And from this bracket something common again. What is common? 3. So take 3 in the beginning. So b plus c into a plus b into a plus c. See, this is same what we were asked to prove. Order may be different but the terms are same, which is equal to the right hand side. So we have shown that this left hand side equal to right hand side.